This is a 2010 Toyota Prius. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. This car also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.